Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn organic chemistry from Basic Full Guide. Begin by mastering electron movement and functional groups, then build a routine of short, focused study sessions. Use simple models, like arrows and 3D kit pieces, to visualize mechanisms. Work through practice problems progressively, starting with substitution and addition, then move to elimination and rearrangements. Regularly review flashcards for reagents and naming to strengthen recall and confidence. Focus on core concepts like acidity, basicity, and stereochemistry early on to make mechanisms intuitive. Use physical or virtual models to practice R/S assignments and conformations, which turns abstract ideas into clear images. Break mechanisms into discrete steps and explain each step aloud as if teaching someone else. That habit converts passive reading into active understanding and improves performance on problem sets and exams. Adopt study strategies that match how the brain learns best: short active sessions, spaced repetition, and mixed practice. Create flashcards for reagents, pKa values, and named reactions, and review them daily for retention. Tackle past exam problems under timed conditions to improve accuracy and pacing. Collaborate with peers to explain tricky mechanisms aloud, which reveals gaps and reinforces understanding through teaching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.